Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new head bundles from Roblox. First of all, go to in marketplace. Once you are in the marketplace, now you have to scroll down on the left and go to insert and choose recently created. Now go to in category and choose head from head. Now once you are in the here, all the new head bundle will be here. So you just need to scroll down and you will see this testing bundle and just click on it. And now you have to click on this buy button. Click on this buy button and click on get now. Now once you own this bundle, now you just need to go to an inventory or the avatar editor and go to uh, head and body and go to style. Now just go to head and body and click on add and now click this bundle. You can see it gives you a headless look. As you can see. So I'll show you on the Roblox player so it will give you more idea about. This is how it looks with this bundle and it gives you completely headless look as you can see. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.